How's it going, everybody? My name is Matt Lavasser. Many of you may know me as Matty Lava. I'm a graphic designer, photographer, filmmaker out of New Hampshire. I am currently a graphic designer at North Shore Magazine, which is a luxury lifestyle publication that focuses on small businesses and getting the word out of different restaurants and boutiques in the North Shore area of Boston. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a 3-up Instagram post. So these are what I've been doing pretty recently with my drone clips and other slow motion videos that I've been posting. It's just a good way to get all of your content that you want in the shortest amount of time. So let's jump right into it. So once you open up Premiere Pro, you'll see this is the project that I ended with on Tuesday. You're going to create these guides on your page so that you can set up all of your clips to line up with them. So first thing what we're going to want to do is create a new sequence. So let's go to sequences, duplicate this sequence, and then call it something else. So let's call it San Diego 2. And then double click that to open it. And then since this took everything from my last one, I'm just going to delete it so we can start over. Delete these guides too, so I can show you guys how to do that. So what we started with was a sequence that is the Instagram 4x5. So you can create this as a square too if you want, but I like being able to see the entire width of Instagram. So you can go up to sequence settings, and then set it up to be 1842 by 2304, and I'll put these in the description. So basically, press OK, and then you're going to want to go over and grab your media. So I'll go over to media, and then double click them to see what it is. And I've already chosen these parts that I like from the last part, so I'm just going to copy and drag, and then double click this one to see it, and then take just the video, and then same thing with this one, drag it over. So if you don't have any guides on right now, you can go to view and then show rulers, and then from here you can just drag from the ruler into your sequence, and that'll show up as a blue line. And if you want to get rid of it, you can just toss it back up to the top and it'll get rid of it for you. So basically what you're going to want to do is go to view, add guide. And then from here you can actually pinpoint what pixel position you want your guide to be on. So for this one I'm going to do 2304, which is my length of my video, so 2304 divided by 3 to give me 3 even sections. So 2304 divided by 3 is 768. So that's my first one. So 768. And I want it to be horizontally. And there it is. So that's my first mark. And then for the second one, I'll go to view. Oh, I just messed up. So I'll re-add that. 768, and then add guide again, and then 768 times 2 is 1536. So I'll put 1536, press OK, and there are my marks. So from here, I'm just going to move these around. So this one is on top, so this is going to be my middle clip, and then this one's underneath. So then I'm going to move this either above or below. So for this one, I'm going to move it below. And the reason that there's black bars here is because I'm using proxies. So my computer can run faster and not have to render. So right now this is regular speed, and as you can see, it's pretty slow. So my MacBook Pro isn't really that old, but it's struggling with this 4K footage. So I use proxies and they're really nice. I actually just learned how to use them yesterday. So, so this is how smooth it runs with proxies. So that bottom one's done, and now this one will go up top, right there. So that's already looking pretty decent, but we have to get rid of this and this. So the way to do that is click on the clip and then type in crop. And then if you go to transform crop, toss that on the video. And then over here in your effect controls, you can get rid of the top. So this is a little slider here. So 13 looks good. And on the bottom, that looks good. So once that's done rendering, you can go to export it. Let's go do that. So let's go to File, Export, Media. And then this dialog box comes up. So you're going to want to click QuickTime and go to Apple ProRes 422 HQ, which is right down here. So I'm going to go to Apple ProRes 422 HQ, switch out my output name and put it in a folder that I want it to be in, and then maximum render quality and click export. And here's the final video. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Feel free to leave a like, a comment, if you want to see anything else in the future from me. And check me out on Instagram at MattyLava, mattLavaSair.com. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.